Welcome everyone. My name is Matthew, and I'd like to go over the Adobe Creative Cloud Dreamweaver 2014 edition with you. As you can see, there's constantly influx going on with Adobe. With the Creative Cloud, it gives you the latest updates. We want to stay at the cutting edge. We want to show you what's going on right now in the summer of 2014 with the Creative Cloud. We're going to say that we're new. We're going to say that we want to know more about this so we can go over a quick tutorial with you. We're in live editing mode, and what we're going to be able to do more now is more collaborative work with live editing. If I'm in one state, you're in another state, we're able to work seamlessly together so we can see how our work will appear online. The element quick view saves time. It gives us more time to work on our project. If we want to see how an element would work, how it would look, we can see that now without ever actually having to take it in effect. Just another excellent way that Adobe is making our life easier. We're going to see now in the CSS Designer Panel, we're going to come back to this. But we're going to see right now that if you bring an element in, let's say a box, you can add rounded corners to it. If you want to have a password area, you can add a password element. Keep it sensitive. Keep your website safe and secure and give it new design, all with the CSS Designer Panel. We're going to be able to also see the enhancements in the code writing. Whenever we're writing in Dreamweaver, you are going to see how the syntax, it already outlines in certain color schemes to be able to make it easier for you whenever you're doing your code writing. As code becomes more evolved, we can do this in a more seamlessly and more effective manner. The jQuery widgets. As we move to more updates, as we move to more abilities and larger libraries, the widgets that are available through Dreamweaver are going to constantly be evolving. And that's a real exciting thing about the Creative Cloud membership is when these new widgets come out. Because whenever you're working on a website with a content management system, you purchase a theme. You constantly need to have a theme writer that is going to update the theme. If you don't find that, it's troublesome. What Dreamweaver and Adobe is doing is they're creating libraries to be able to pick and choose from widgets that will work directly for your site. This is an excellent piece to the Adobe package. They're also giving videos on how to know a little bit more about the programs. One specific video I think that's very educational is the Animate with HTML. And right now we're just going to watch it in action with another Adobe specialist. Here we go.
Hello, my name is Paul Tranny, and you can do a lot when it comes to CSS transitions in Dreamweaver. But what if you want to go beyond simple transitions and create some nice dynamic animation, maybe some interactivity? Well, as a Creative Cloud member, you have access to Animate, and that's what I'm going to launch now. Now, Edge Animate allows you to create animation and interactivity using web standards. In fact, I'm working right on an HTML page. So all you really need to do is create your animation and then go into Publish Settings. And I'm going to show you what happens if you just select Web. In fact, I select Web and click Publish. It's going to publish out all these files on my desktop. And that's the tricky part, is taking all these various files and graphics, making sure everything's in its right location. When I don't need to really worry about that, in fact, I will delete them. I'll go back into Animate because under Publish Settings, what I can do is select Animate Deployment Package, okay? And it will publish out to my desktop one handy little file. So this is great. I can use that file right in Dreamweaver. So back in Dreamweaver, in this case, for this image, rather than just having a static image just to bring it to life, all you need to do is use your Insert panel, under Media, select Edge Animate Composition, locate that OAM file, open it up. It unpackages everything where it needs to go. All I need to do is save the page and preview it in the browser. You can see where it was once just a still image, now sort of gives this life to this particular project that I'm working on, makes it look
Excellent. We're going over in the next video on how to make an HTML page from scratch, the fundamental steps, and we're going to add CSS to that page. Thank you for watching the new additions to CSS, but also we're going to go over the fundamental steps that Adobe has with its latest additions and its previous additions.